Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making fresh homemade strawberry lemonade. I love making this drink for summer. It's so easy and refreshing. Let's get started. We're going to start with a bowl of very hot water. We're going to make some syrup, so pour some sugar into the hot water, then stir until the sugar completely dissolves. Once the sugar has dissolved, go ahead and set the syrup aside to cool completely. While the syrup is cooling, we're going to cut up some fresh strawberries. Make sure your strawberries are very well washed and hulled. Transfer the cut up strawberries into a food processor or a blender. Next, blend until the strawberries turn into a smoothie consistency. Go ahead and grab a pitcher or whatever you want to store your strawberry lemonade in. Pour the blended strawberries into the pitcher, then set aside. Next, we have some fresh lemons here. We're going to divide each lemon into two. And then using a lemon squeezer, we're going to squeeze the lemon juice into the pitcher. Once the lemon juice has been squeezed into the blended strawberries, we're going to add the syrup. Then mix everything together very well. Next, we're going to fill the strawberry lemonade mixture with some ice cold water. Go ahead and mix everything in, and that's it, my friends. Freshly homemade strawberry lemonade. So refreshing. Make sure you serve this over a glass of ice. You can sneak in a shot of vodka or tequila in here if you want, no judgment. This strawberry lemonade is so refreshing and perfect for the hot summer days. You can check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.